So I want to show you guys quickly my own little space. So this is what I set for myself. One thing I love about this chair is you can fold it whenever you don't feel like use it. You can just fold it like this and just put it like this in the corner to save space. And when you're ready to use it, you can just open it and put it back. I got a comfortable chair, but I thought I leave that one downstairs for the office area. So I thought, let me just bring this one downstairs, upstairs. I have the gray one. Maybe I might end up changing the color because it's black. I feel like it doesn't, as much as I love black, but not when it comes to decoration. I love black on outfit. Decoration, I just love everything to be very simple and look simple and neat, so that's the reason why I love white. So I have the gray one. I might end up exchanging the chair to get the green one instead of the black one, but this is what my set looks like. I have my makeup bag underneath there. So the other part of the makeup bag, I have it on top of my wardrobe because the table is not that tall. It's not that super tall for both makeup bag to be on top. So I just put some of the makeup majority underneath there, and that there is a surprise for my daughter. It's her birthday gift. I kept it there because I haven't wrapped it. So here I have most of my makeup stuff, and also some of them are right there. I'm thinking of moving those makeup things on top of there, but I don't know yet. So yeah, I have some of my makeup palettes. Some of them are in here, brushes and everything, and the rest is just a bunch of random stuff. I have hair accessories for the kids, more makeup stuff that I haven't used, and some hair accessories for the kids, more hair accessories for the kids, and just random stuff. And I have here, I love candles, so I have my candles. I have my backup candles in case one of them finish. At least I always like to have two candles, so I always have one backup in case one finish. I'll light the other one. And this is my skincare. This is the ordinary face mask. This is my face mask, and one of them is my vitamin C serum and moisturizer. Just simple stuff. So this is like skincare set, and this is my body cream, which I've already shown you guys how to make that one. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll link it for you guys in the description box as well. This is very simple. Like, I don't really use a lot of product when it comes to my face. This is just it. This is just everything. And this is the new skincare that I have been trying. I have the moisturizer. I also have the serum. I have the SPF sun protective cream, and also have their face wash, which is in the bathroom. So these are the 3 plus the face wash is just 4 products, and my face mask from The Ordinary. This is the vampire face mask, and this is my vitamin C serum, and my lavender and rose water, and Vaseline on my lip, hand cream, sun protective body cream, face, body, whatever. I use this mostly in the summer for my entire body and face, but in the winter time I just use this one. I use SPF throughout the year. I don't care whether it's winter, summer, I just use it. And these are just random stuff here, just random things. So yeah, this is the sets, and just want to give you guys a quick updates. And the place where I have most of my makeup standing, that part is a little bit messy. So because I'm really cleaning my room, like once in a while I take out all my bed stuff, like the bedding, everything. All of this I'm going to wash. So I'm in that process where I'm washing my pillows, I'm removing this bed protector, I'm washing everything. So I'm doing like a really deep clean washing of all the bed stuff on the bed. So that's why the room is a little bit messy. But let me just quickly show you guys this part. I don't want to show you this side is just mess. So I have all my vitamins there. I need to organize it. So here I have most of my makeup. I'm thinking of putting it there, or should I just leave it here? I don't know. I'm always moving things around, so I really don't know. And I have my beautiful aloe vera plant. So this is it. This is what I'm actually doing. So I thought this is like a really nice and easy space where I can sit down, and if I want to film, I can just draw this table a little bit forward. I put my ring light there and I can film. So yeah, this is it. Hope you all like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. All of these things are from Ikea. This one is from Ikea, and this chair is from the Aldi. I got it like sometimes when you have barbecue, most time in the summer I do have barbecues and I have close friends around, and then so I have this chair. I have a couple of them, a lot in the store, and I like to bring it outside. We all can sit and have fun with my friends. And yeah, so this is it. This is everything. Hope you all like this video, and then Amifullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Excuse my nails. Thank you guys.